Hi everybody, this is Sheila Aliens, and today is January 19th, 2012. I just needed to make this video to show you guys something. I know there's a lot of hysteria going around about the strange noises in some videos, and I am pointing out the hoax that is the Conklin, Canada video. That is definitely a hoax, and I'm not just out to debunk these videos because there are reports of strange sounds happening, and I'm going to go over those in a different video after this. And I think some of those are legitimate. There's some things you look for to back up these claims, and you'll know right away if something was actually heard in a town or not, or if it's just one person saying that. But this is a video I posted in August of 2011, right around the time the video in Russia came out that you're all probably really familiar with. And I just found it by searching on YouTube for strange noises back in August. The creator of this video could have gotten away with it. He could have fooled all of us if he was being dishonest, but luckily he's not a dishonest person. He's actually very cool. Another thing is, the person who made this video put some very realistic aliens in the video that I personally didn't even catch until I uploaded it. And then I was like, holy what? You know, is it the end of the world? Like, I don't know if you've seen the movie called War of the Worlds with Tom Cruise, but they have these things called tripods. This guy just ever so subtly implanted those in this video. Clever as all hell. He actually stopped by and clarified with me on the comments. He said, "First of all, Sheila, thank you for reviewing my video. I'm sorry for the inconvenience it caused. When I was creating it, I didn't think that people will take it that serious. The second thing is that I was inspired by a real video from Kiev. I honestly have nothing to do with that one, and it's not a viral campaign. I made mine just because I like video editing and not to make fun of curious people. So don't get offensive, guys. P.S. Your voice is very sweet indeed." So he's cool, and he's a good, goddamn good video editor, graphic artist, whatever. Really cool. So this just like threw me for a loop because I came to a realization that I'm easily fooled. It really taught me to just take a step back and think about the video before passing it along as gospel, as that this is definitely something weird that's happening. Well, I fell for it a couple times, but not anymore. And you don't have to believe me or anything. I'm just trying to keep it real, quote unquote, because there's a lot of bullshit out there. And I'll just go over some ways to sift through the bullshit, or the ways that I have found, and I'll share those with you in my next video because it's a bit much to cover in one video. I will, however, be going over some recent reports of strange sounds that are legit. I do believe the one in Costa Rica did happen. I saw all the reports on Twitter and in the news and everything. Something happened there. We have mystery booms happening in Indiana and Alabama and Malaysia. Stuff like that are legit. But for some reason these freaking tripod noise videos keep coming into the mix. But for me right now, if it's got that tripod noise and a bunch of birds, I'm not going to give it the time of day. Conklin is just a good example, and I hope a lot of us learn from it. I've learned, and I'm speaking from experience. I'm not just saying this. This is me speaking from experience, like I just showed you. I'll do my best to bring some real incidents with corroborating evidence and not just one video. I'm talking about multiple witness reports or even tweets, anything, you know. Try to gather up something that makes it more substantial. Otherwise, it's not anything we need to be spending our time on. And as always, thank you for watching. Much love.